of water nearby so I can sit my rollers in after I use it each time, so that it's less cleanup at the end. I roll some of the paint off on paper and then I sit the roller in the pail of water. Some of these rollers, the paint is a little bit, takes a little bit more to come off. Okay, so I'm going to place this like so. Some of the leaves will hang over the edge. Here's a single random leaf. Guess I'll just stick that there. Okay, and use another sheet of the Canson mixed media paper, 9 by 12. I usually have the same size paper I'm going to use under at the bottom of the gel plate, which makes it easier for me to line up my paper each time I'm doing a layer. Kind of gives me a closer to the measurement of where I want the paint to land. Okay, I guess I could have used a little bit more paint. Okay, so this is what we have here. It's a nice print. Hopefully this will be a little easier than the other one to remove for the ghost print underneath. I like to try to get a few uses out of my stencils before I make new ones, and never make the same ones. So I try to get as much use out of it. If it breaks, I put a piece of masking tape in the area to hold it. But I like the fact that it really adheres to the plate. So here we have this is left on the plate. And so I'm going to use, I'm not sure, but I'm going to use quinacridone nickel azo gold to see if I can remove this ghost print. See how that will come out. Because that's also sheer, bit translucent. And let's go for another piece of tissue. Now this is a much lighter weight tissue than I used earlier, as you can see, right through the plate. And you kind of take it off kind of quickly because it will hair in the process of trying to remove it. But look at these beautiful blends of colors. How nice is that? And I got the ghost print, as you can see. How nice is that? So the thing with this now is to be able to, I have to use another translucent over this. And I'm wondering if I should just go back and do the leaves again. I'm going to throw caution to the wind, go back to the quinacridone. Because it's sheer. And I'm going to lay the same leaves back down. But I think this time I will turn them over, get a different position going here of what I used a minute ago. And I'm going to take another piece of tissue paper, lightweight tissue paper. Okay. And here, this is the effect that we get with this. And then, because this quinacridone is very translucent, I think I will try the iridescent gold again. And let's see if we get the same nice effect we did with the other one. All of this is just experimenting. These are two sheer colors, and let's see what happens when I go to lift it. I'm going to use this again, although the leaves are positioned differently now. Now let's see what that yields. There we have it. Look at that. There's a shimmer to it. I don't know if you could see the shimmer. But look at that. Very nice effect. So what I will end up doing with these is perhaps adding a few more pieces to them. cutout pieces that I have, and let's see if we can embellish on it a bit more.